Good morning to you all. Hope you're doing fine and keeping still safe. Yes, so I am sharing my video with you with a room makeover, and this is our living room. That's how it's currently looking. Yeah, my red couch, but I will keep my red couch. I'm not changing it. But the walls, I am painting the wall in a kind of ash gray tone. I went to the Home Depot store and asked them to mix the color for me, but when I put it on the wall, it was more black than gray that I wanted. So I had to use a little bit of white paint that I had at home and mix it, and now I got the perfect color. So this wall is going to be in this color, and this wall over here is going to be in that color. Yeah, so this is how it's looking, and yeah, we will show you the end result afterwards. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you like this video so far, you can give it a thumbs up, and as soon as I'm finished painting, I will show you the result. All right, then, see you later. So today in this video, I am showing you how I am making a update on our side tables, and we painted it in black. Actually, I bought this mirror on eBay and I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. And um, our side table is over there. There is our side table, and I'm going to put this mirror. I'm going to glue this mirror on top of it to have like a mirror side table, but with a little bit of glitter and so on. And so what I'm doing now to protect the glass or the mirror is to tape these down so that the paint does not get into the crevices or on top of the glass. So I just did that one here. Yeah, and this what I'm using down here is chalk paint. So I got this plaster of Paris and the black latex paint. Yes, and you mix it and I add it into my jar so that I will always have some more. Yeah, and then I painted it and now waiting to dry, and then you do a second coat and you are done. And I think tonight or tomorrow I will then glue it onto the table. And my lamp over there, I will be upgrading it as well. Yeah, put a little bit of bling bling on it. And let me show you the wall. So this is my husband's choice of paint that he chose. It's gray. And this side is mine's. I like the way it turned out, but I have to do it again. I do not know why this part got lighter, but I will do it one more time. I still have enough paint. Yeah, the guy at the Home Depot did not mix the right kind of color I wanted. Even when I put it on the wall and waited for some minutes to dry, it still did not come out. So I had to add some white paint to it, and yeah, it came out quite good if you look down there by the window side. And that with the brick wallpaper my daughter did. Our second daughter did that. Yeah, so yeah, as always, you will see me in my next video, and when the living room is finished, I will also show you the whole complete thing. Even the doors need to be done. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If this video was quite an information for you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like. And my daughter is also doing some decoration stuff there, some creative stuffs. Okay, good. Then see you soon. Bye.